you are going to group the variable x and the variable y. Pagsamahin natin yung variable x and variable y. The letter C, yung constant number, you transpose to the right side. Okay, that's the first step. So, pagsamahin natin yung variable x. X squared minus 8x. Okay, group na natin siya. Plus y squared. Mayroon bang kasama? Wala. Okay? Wala. Transpose the constant term or letters yung C to right side. So, this is negative 7. Tama ba, anak? Okay. Maliwanag? Maliwanag? Okay. Now, so, yung first group, yung variable x, you are going to change this into perfect or quadratic square, perfect square trinomial. You know what is perfect square trinomial? Yung parehas ang kanilang factor. Tama? Yung parehas ang kanilang factor. Naintindihan? So, you are going to change the term. You are going to make this into a perfect square trinomial. Ganon din dito sa kabila. Maliwanag? Okay. Now, since gawin natin siyang perfect square trinomial, what would be added to the last term in order that this will become perfect square trinomial? Ano ba yung pattern nyo noon? Diba noon, ginagawa niyong perfect square trinomial yung dalawang term? Okay, paano? Pero naiintindihan ko naman yan, nakalimutan niyo na siguro. So this is the pattern. Okay, the pattern is 1/2 of the middle term squared. Yan ang pattern. Sige, hindi na ako maglalagay ng fraction. Whole number lahat ang pinalagay ko. Okay? Anyway, lahat naman dito, hindi naman mag-step. Naintindihan? Okay, so what is 1/2 of the middle term squared? So, ano yung middle term mo dyan? Siyempre, yung negative 8. Tama ba? Yung numerical coefficient. So, what is 1/2 of negative 8? 4. Negative 4. And what is square of negative 4? Is it negative 16? Positive 16. So, pag nag-add ka dyan, mag-add ka rin dito. Naintindihan? Ba't ka mag-add dito? Para ma-maintain natin yung equation. Naintindihan? So, kapag nag-add ka dyan, hindi ka mag-a-add dyan, ibig sabihin, hindi na siya equal. Maliwanag? Okay, so any question now? Ito, y square. Perfect square na ba yan? Perfect square na ba to? Yes or no? Yes. Perfect square na yan. Y times y. Perfect square. So, wala ka nang idadagdag dyan. Naintindihan? Maliwanag? Okay. So, since this is perfect square trinomial, third step, since this is perfect square trinomial, anak, ano yung factors niya ngayon? Ano yung magiging factors niya? Okay? Ano ngayon yung magiging factors niya? Yung dalawang factors niya. Kasi perfect square trinomial, tama? So, ibig sabihin, parehas ang kanilang dalawang factors. Naintindihan? Okay, ganito ang gagawin lang. What is the square root of x? Okay, since this is negative, kaya negative yan. What is the square root of 16? So, x minus 4 is here. Is x minus 4 times x minus 4 perfect square trinomial yan? Okay, x minus 4. First term, x times x. Is it x squared? Okay. FOIL method, product of outer plus the product of inner. Para makuha si middle term. Negative 4x plus negative 4x. Is it negative 8x? Yes. Okay. And then square of 4 is positive 16. Tama? Okay. Ganito na lang ang naintindihan, anak. Or twice the first and last. So, negative 4 times x is negative 4x times 2 is negative 2. Maliwanag? Okay. Plus y squared equals negative 7 plus 16. Negative 7 plus 16. Negative or positive? Positive 9. So what is the center now? What is the center? Ano yung center niya? Center, anak. Kung paano ba kunin ang center? Natin size ng HT. Oh, so what's the center? 4. Wala namang twice word naman yan. Kaya 4. 1. May 1 ba dyan? So 4. 0. And what is the radius? This is the center. What is the radius?
3.
Okay, so square root of 9. Tama, you are correct. So 3 is the radius. Maintindihan, anak? Maliwanag? So any question? Sa totoo lang, anak, sa base sa experience ko sa pagtuturuan, kung ang so x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 6y is minus 3 is equal to 0. Ano yung first step natin? Group together the variable x, group together the variable y, and what we do with this is transpose to the right side. Okay? So x squared plus 4x plus y squared kasama na yun minus 6y equals positive negative 3 kaya magiging positive. Naintindihan na na? Yes, any question? Yes, naintindihan? Okay. So, proceed. Gawin natin perfect square trinomial, yung dalawa, x and y. So, what would be added to the last term? Added? What would be added to the last term? 4. Bakit 4? 1 half and 4, 2 times 2, yes? Plus 2. Tama ba? Ay, plus 4. Sorry. Plus 4. Next one. Ano ba ang dadagdag sa last term? 1 half of 6, 9. Square of 6, ay, 1 half of 6, 3. Square of 3. 9. Naintindihan? So, plus 9. Paliwanag? Naintindihan?
Wala po.
And then, kunin mo yung factor. Okay, kunin mo yung dalawang factor. Ano yung common factor? Ano hindi siya common factor? Common factors. Or, yung tawag doon, binomial factor. So, magiging square root of x is x square root of 4 is 2. Lagyan mo ng square. Ibig sabihin, x plus 2, x plus 2, the product of x plus 2 times x plus 2 is 4. Tama ba? Perfect square trinomial. Plus square root of y squared, y. Negative yan, kaya negative yung middle term. Square root of 9 is 3 square. Paliwanag? Okay. And then add the similar terms, 3 plus 4 plus 9, 16. Okay, so what's the center? What is the center, anak? Negative 2 and positive. And what is the radius? 4. So, naintindihan? Naintindihan, anak? Maliwanag? Okay, some more. Okay, some more. Okay, paano kapag ganito guys? Pwede bang i-reset mo na lang to kasi alam niya na.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Plus 2y minus, squared. 16x plus 4y plus 20 is equal to 0. 16. Okay. Pero anak, sabi ko di ba kapag circle, dapat ang coefficient ng x squared, y squared 1 lang. Bawal ito. Pero mayroon eh. Pero alam nyo na may common factor bawat number dyan. Bawat numerical coefficient ba may common factor? Ano yung common factor niya? Okay, so this is x squared plus y squared minus 16 divided by 2, 8x, 2y plus 10 is equal to 8. Okay, sinong gagawa nito? Kanina anak, ang ginawa natin, we convert standard to general. This time, general to standard. We convert the general form to standard. Baliktad, okay? So, baliktadin natin. So, given ang standard form. Kanina, ano ba ginawa natin? Ang nawawala. Standard form ang given. Okay? Standard form, tapos i-convert natin sa general. Tama ba? Kanina, given ang general, i-convert natin sa standard form. Walang problema anak. Ano lang? Ang gagawin lang natin, ay nagkulang dito. That's not 36 yan. 36. Di ba i-multiply mo lang yan? Okay. Paano ba mag-multiply ng square of binomial? Paano ba mag-multiply ng square of binomial? X squared. Tama ba? Okay. Minus product 2 yan. Ano yung product ng dalawa? Negative 4x tapos twice. Okay. Tapos product ng negative 4, 16. Okay. Ganun din sa kabila. Y squared. Ano yung product nito? Times 2, 6y. Tapos product ng 3 times 3, 9. Okay, plus 9. Tapos, ano? 36 plus goes to the left side. So, magiging negative 36. So, standard form na. So, x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 6y. Okay, combine the similar terms. 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9. 25 minus 36, negative 11. Is equal to... O, alam niyo ba ang gagawin nyo? Some more o hindi na? Is it one more example? You need one more example? Yes, okay, one more. Okay, one more example. Okay, one more example. Okay, one more.
Radius.
X
Paano
minus
kukunin yung
7
radius?
squared
Ano ba yun?
plus y plus 3 squared is equal to 7. Paano
Radius.
pa ulit?
Yung... Ay, yung square. Ay,
X
ano yun?
squared
7 bali. 7. Anong ano niya yun?
minus
Si ma'am.
14x. Bakit 14? Product ng dalawa times 2 pero negative 14x. Plus, product ng last term. Okay. Plus, product ng y squared. Product ng dalawa. 6 times 2 pero 6y. Plus 9. Transpose na. 7 is equal to 0. Okay. Arrange now into general form. Plus y squared minus 14x plus 6y.
Guys, may square ba yung 7? Wala, di ba?
49 plus 9 minus 7.
Pisting yawa.
1 plus 51 is equal to 0. So, hindi na ako nagtingin ng fraction.
Transpose mo yan. Oo.
Kung simpleng bagay na iluman. Okay? So, ano yung sig word mo, anak? Ito?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
this is, dagdagan ko yung sig word mo. Ito yung pangalawang sig word mo. Okay. So, dalawa lang. Back to back sa 1-4. First and second.